What happens when a political candidate uses another's face on their campaign material? In a recent turn of events, independent candidate Brian Ticky found himself immersed in controversy for doing just that. Ticky, a hopeful in the upcoming by-election in Mount Pleasant National Assembly, used the face of former Citizens Coalition for Change President Nelson Chamisa on his campaign posters. This action sparked a wave of backlash and accusations from Chamisa's close allies, including Gift Siziba. They claim Ticky was receiving campaign funds from ZANU PF, a claim Ticky fervently denies. In the face of threats of legal action, Ticky decided to address the media at a press conference held on a Tuesday. He offered his apologies for using Chamisa's image on his campaign materials, which included posters, flyers, and more. He stated, "We felt like we had offended somebody in the course of our campaign. I would like to take this opportunity to apologize and also clear the rumors that my campaign is allegedly being funded by ZANU PF." Ticky made it clear that his decision to use Chamisa's face was not an attempt to mislead or discredit anyone. Instead, he saw it as a way to express his support for Chamisa's vision, which he believes was prematurely abandoned. He added, "It's not a secret Chamisa is a loved man. Putting him on our campaign material was never meant to discredit anyone or mislead the masses. Rather, it was a way of showing people that we share the same vision with him." Further, Ticky denied allegations of being a member of the Forever Associate Zimbabwe, FAZ, or ZANU PF. He asserted, "I'm not a ZANU PF or FAZ, I am an independent candidate. The reason I'm disassociating myself with anything to do with ZANU PF is that I'm not proud to be associated with them. I do not support their governance." Despite the controversy, Ticky remains steadfast in his commitment to represent the Mount Pleasant constituency. He dismissed the allegations against him as attempts to discredit his authenticity and assured that he stands with the people of Mount Pleasant and Zimbabwe as a whole. As the by-elections loom, scheduled for the upcoming Saturday alongside another election in Harare East, Ticky finds himself up against two other candidates, George Mashavarv of ZANU PF and independent candidate Naison Mamuse. As the election draws near, the question remains, will this controversy affect the outcome? Only time will tell.